So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. These aren't any shoes. It's actually a phone case. Yeah. So I thought I should try and customize my own phone case, so let's get into it. Guys, so my first ever phone case using the airbrush in general is finally finished, and honestly I think it looks really cute. That's crazy. So this is what it looks like. I ended up painting like the little buttons black just to give it some outline and to make it stand out some more, but I just put breathe on there. Just I guess a cute little quote, just breathe when you're getting anxious. I don't really know, but I think it looks really cute. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more custom videos, especially shoes. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. New phone, who this?